So we came to Costco just to see if they have balaclavas because the one we ordered on Amazon decided not to show up. So we just gonna leave Costco by getting 2 plants.
Unexpected.
Yeah, we love that for us.
What are they called? Sansevieria?
Sansevieria, so like a snake plant and it's like a hybrid. Punk? Yeah, this is the punk one, whereas it's like a little snake and spiky had a baby. So these are the plants that we're gonna come out with, even though we're looking for balaclavas. Long story short, last night our balaclavas from Amazon supposed to arrive, because when you order Amazon, they're like, okay, order within an hour, so it'll come by a certain date. So it was supposed to come by Wednesday, and it's Thursday and it's not here.
Hasn't even shipped yet.
Hasn't even shipped, haven't even left the warehouse, okay? So I filed a request to cancel it. That they told me that it was supposed to arrive, but it didn't arrive. So we just left Costco because I was looking online to see local stores that had balaclavas. Costco doesn't have the feature where you can see whether or not they have the item or not, so we just went inside an actual Costco and we had no luck finding anything, but went in to find balaclavas and left with 2 new plant friends.
That's successful.
That is so on brand and reasonably priced. I think 2 of them was 2 for $25, which is really good.
Is your mentality, hey, we're late already, so we might as well be more late?
I know.
It's not a good mentality.
Chester! Bye, Chester! Not me putting my shoes on last minute. Oh, Chester! Oh, Chester! He moved my camera! Chester moved my camera. Yes, Chester, we get it. Not me having a roller in my hair. There we go. Not me doing my own lighting right here, so it's literally pitch black right now. So we made it in our cabin and now we're eating dinner. So we decided to stop by this like drive-through taco place. So I got 4 tacos. And then
I got a plate with some tortilla on the side.
Yes.
You know what you know about this super burrito.
Yeah.
It's so freaking big. It's
What
like
else
the size of a hydro.
It is the size.
Oh
It
my
literally
God.
is the same size.
Is this Oregon cider or just cider cider?
Pacific Northwest.
Juicy and unfiltered.
This living room is so nice and cozy. This kind of A-frame looking window. Majestic. Right now we're kind of just exploring outside. Mount Bachelor hasn't like released their like update whether or not like the lifts are open. So we woke up at 6 and then they were saying check back the website at 7:30. So now it's like 7:30 and there's no update. All right. This is what it looks outside. This is not Tahoe, guys. This is not Tahoe. Look how soft the snow is. Oh, that's so satisfying. This is our hot tub right here. As you can see, like, look at that, those inches. This electric fireplace is everything. Love it. And the cozy chairs, the couch, and tons of movies. Giving me like cabin in the 90s vibes. Like all their appliances like are really like 90s. Yeah, this is Jake and I's room. It's all messy. The bathroom. Good morning, everyone. So today's Friday and currently it is 7:30 a.m. and we woke up at 6 a.m. We got to the Airbnb at around like 10 p.m. because we stopped by, got some groceries at Fred Meyer's. Basically, Fred Meyer's is like a smaller Costco, but like make it Safeway, if that makes any sense. So it had like everything. They were selling groceries, not only groceries, like it was like a Best Buy in there. They had TVs for sale. They were selling baby clothes. It was just so many random things, and they're selling furniture. So we just had to check it out. So we got some groceries at Fred Meyer's. Now I think Jake and Kevin are like kind of shoveling the driveway. Lily's kind of outside already, so I should get out there and kind of see what's going on. Jake got a call from Mount Bachelor and they were saying how it was closed because of the weather conditions today and how like it's gonna be super windy, so they canceled our lessons. So yesterday we decided to learn it on YouTube. So here's a clip of us learning how to snowboard via YouTube.
Specifically, hit the high back, the back of my back. Is it back? Nice and bent. I'm gonna pick up the board just a little bit. And let's go back to the arms. And then I'll start to move into a hillside J turn. Push, and then look down. Toes up.
Wow, look at outside the front door. How are we gonna do this? California girl doesn't know how to react to snow. Okay, let's do this. It's so snowy. Ah, protect the film camera. What's going on, Lily? What's the update?
It's snowing a lot. We just put on the chains because you know. Can't go anywhere without the chain.
Cannot go anywhere. Look at this. It's white. This is icy. Okay, what's going on, Vichy? Give us an update.
Me and Kevin are putting on the chains. They look like they're ready to go.
Why do you look so dried off?
I've been standing under here the whole time. That's why.
Like, look at me. I'm a mess. You look like a lumberjack.
Oh, do I?
Yeah, with your axe. Or no, it's an axe. It's a brush. Oh my god. Oh, you can see the winds. Holy shit.
No, this way.
Snow winds.
She said blizzard.
Kevin's testing out the chains. And it works. Well, look at this. A commercial shot. This is a commercial. Like, look at this. Okay, Callie.
Good. Let's Schwab. Go ahead.
Let's go. Chained up.
I know if we didn't have it, we would definitely stuff.
Yeah. Hello.
This is not California snow. This hits different. So we're going to the grocery store because, oh my god, a snowflake went in my eye. Okay. Right now we're just gonna go to the grocery store again and just get more stuff.
More food.
More food
Gotta eat
in
tonight.
case we get snowed in or something.
Oh man.
But yeah. Looks unreal.
It's a train track
Yeah.
that runs behind the house that woke us up like at 12:30 last night or whatever time it was. Rumbling and being super noisy.
Yeah.
You got your coffee. Why are you drinking iced coffee in the snow? That's my question.
That's just how I am.
You built different? Oh my gosh.
Hear the ice?
Hear the ice? You gotta make a point, let everyone know you're drinking some iced coffee out here in the snow.
This is perfect iced coffee weather.
Where's the snow?
Yesterday we were driving like, oh, it's not even snowy.
It's not even that bad.
Shout out to Kevin for driving 3.5 hours to get here.
Fuck yeah.
In the dark, in the snow.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I got you. I got you.
No snowboarding today, but we found 2 sleds in the side of the house. We're gonna try sledding in the backyard. We'll try and go snowboarding tomorrow.
You got it? There we go. Oh, make a path. Make a path. There's a Lily.
Yeah. Oh, it's a little bumpy.
That's a little.
It's a little bumpy.
I feel like you're gonna break it, Vichy.
You alright? Yeah.
Not a good idea. Whoa! Oh, I see.
Your feet are in the snow. I think now we've had our taste of sledding, we'll go to the big run. Here comes Jess. Oh. Not this random lady trying to help Jess. Oh my god. Oh no, she's not helping. Never mind. There we go. Oh, right into the snow pile.
Go, Kevin, go! Oh my god! They look too big for this.
We got Lily on the left, Jess on the right. Oh. Oh my gosh. Jess went down, Jess! There you go. She made it! Lily, Jess.
Go, go, go!
Oh! Oh my god.
Oh yeah. How was it? How was it?
It was good, and then towards the bottom got a little rough.
Oh no.
We started steering to one side.
Y'all got icy.
We got a little icy there. Okay.
Pose.
Around.
Pose. 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 Pose.
She's going off to the side.
Oh no.
Ooh, green.
There we go. Our flights.
Oh my god.
What?
You didn't see that?
No. So we got our ciders. Okay, so this is the strawberry banana. Strawberry banana. Yeah. And the dragon fruit. Dragon fruit.
Yeah. And then we decided to just try them all.
Yeah, I'm super excited. Which one's which?
1,
This is 12. Okay. All right. So we're trying our flights. We're freezing. Yeah, it's very, very cold. Not us drinking cold drinks in freezing cold right now. Let's try.
Mojito? It's not too bad.
Oh, mojito. I'm gonna try all of them though.
Something mojito.
Not bad. I think it's better than the rhubarb.
Yeah.
Blackberry currant. Cheers to that. Oh wait. Oh yeah? Blackberry. Have you tried blackberry?
I think so.
Oh wow, that.
A long time ago.
Blackberry.
Last time ago.
Oh, I love that
Yeah,
one.
blackberry's like a Jolly
It
Rancher.
tastes like blackcurrant.
It literally says. My finger's getting kind of a little purple here.
Stardust.
Oh, a little dot in there.
Little dot in there? Okay, Jay Gordon will take care of the dot for you.
Ooh, extra protein.
Protein right there.
I thought I would like this one, but it's a no for me.
What does it taste like?
It's a no for me.
You don't like that?
Yeah, it's alright.
Acai lemonade.
I love icy. You know me.
I haven't heard a flavor I didn't think was going to be amazing yet.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Acai?
That's a yes. Acai lemonade.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's
Whoa,
good.
That's crazy.
That hits a little
You guys like
different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Thanks for taking us here. It's,
Yeah.
I really like it. No, it's hot outside. Summer.
Orange creamsicle.
I'm skeptical about this, but you know, the name.
Trust
Yeah, big that dog is.
Yeah.
Wait,
Oh, that dog has
that shut me up. It's actually really good.
You sure?
What do you think of that?
Well, that's. How did they get it to taste like that?
I don't know. It's magic.
Mandarin Greyhound. I don't know what Greyhound is.
Okay.
Seltzer.
It's like, I don't know, it's like a cutie. You know, like a,
The mandarins. That's what mandarins are.
yeah, like a cutie. It's pretty good. I like how fruity it all tastes. Raspberry seltzer. Here we go. Wait, this is good.
The raspberry.
Raspberry. Last time we haven't tried.
Tropical Smash.
Yes. Yeah, that's a yes for me. No, my arms get kind of tired.
I know. So last one.
Last one.
Pick up.
This is strawberry banana. I already tried it before I recorded, but it's that good, and I need to try it again. Yes.
It hits.
I don't know. It's so interesting how the banana flavor like comes through in it. Banana is such a like a light flavor, and they're able to capsule that into the drink. So good. All right, we're gonna be drinking here, and yeah, see you guys later.
So hot. It's so hot. Oh my god.
12 drinks later. We'll see you guys later. Everyone, so today we're going to Bachelor. Woo! Yes, sir. And so after a whole day of waiting, they finally opened back up. We're so happy. We both tried this new flavor, which is the Lilikoi Lychee, and it's super good.
Get us pumped up for the whole day.
Yes, yes.
We're not heading back.
No, we're not heading back. We're not chickening out.
No.
We're going full send. Full send. Yes.
Alrighty. Mr. Kevin is driving as usual.
Yeah.
The weather is much better than yesterday. Blue skies. So we're hoping that Mount Bachelor can clear all the snow and get all the lifts open, and we'll be ready to go.
Yeah, we're so excited. Not us waking up at 6 a.m.
Yeah.
2 days in a row.
Oh man.
But it was worth it.
2 days in a row of 6 a.m. is killing us.
Sleep later.
Yeah, we're gonna be tired.
See you on the slopes. Okay, we're getting our rentals, got our boards, and now Jake is putting on my boots for me.
Toes in.
Okay, I gotta stand up for this.
They are so stiff. I think they just got super hot.
And then he did like a zigzag kind of motion. Yeah. Hey everyone, we're on the slopes. We're on the bunny hill. Very on brand of me. It's been a hot minute since I snowboarded. The energy drink is making me a little anxious on top of me already anxious. So I'm just trying to like get the muscle memory down, but yeah.
You got it. You got all the moves. You just need the fear needs to go away.
Yeah.
Billy and Kevin are already halfway down.
Exactly.
Okay, let's go. I got you. Slow. There you go. Wow. This is your farthest jet. Okay. We're currently on the moving sidewalk. There's Jess. Taking our boards up to the top of the little bunny hill. Okay, I'm Lily and Kevin for the dismount. Oh! Hey, that was pretty good though. There she is. Getting your skiing legs underneath you. Or snowboarding, sorry, my bad. With your little snowy bottom. That's cute, that's cute! There you go. That was looking good.
Hey everyone, so we made it to the lift.
Woo, we're finally on the lift, our first lift of the day.
The view is so nice. Oh my goodness.
We'll drop the phone, I promise. Jess is all blacked out. I've got a mismatch of random stuff going on, but you know, we're gonna enjoy it.
Too bad we can't do fours, but I think we'll be fine.
Yeah, I think we'll be fine.
Yeah, the view is immaculate.
Practicing on the bunny hills, and now we're going up our first lift to do more bunny hills.
Really, this will go bunny hill?
Greens, yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, there we go. We had some problem with our ski passes, but I think they sorted it out.
Yeah, I
don't know.
hope Lily and Kevin are alright. They were like ahead of us, but now like hopefully it works. Because when I went through, it didn't buzz.
Yeah, mine didn't buzz either, but I wasn't.
I feel like at this point they don't care. Like,
They know
we
what's
made it.
going on.
Yeah. But other than that, we're chilling on here, and yeah, I'm just kind of facing my fears, you know.
High up off the ground, but you know, we're fine.
I'm looking straight. I'm not looking down because I'm gonna get really anxious. But I
you
got
don't-
Vichy with me, so I think we're fine.
I'll keep you safe. Just try to stay balanced when you do that. Yeah! Yeah! She's a natural.
Why are you braking?
Yeah, he's breaking.
Oh. Oof. You have fun?
Good job, Jake.
Yeah, that was good.
Hey, you know it's good when I'm losing a lash.
You lost one or you just, it's falling
No,
off?
it's fallen
Oh,
off.
okay.
The hair is
Tangled?
frizzy.
Frizzy?
Frizzy. I have to comb it out because she doesn't look cute. She's not looking cute.
But what's the consensus of today? How was it?
It was fun. It was really fun, but really tiring.
Nope.
It snows so much, but it's fine.
Have fun?
Oh yeah.
Good times?
Yes.
We'll be back?
Hate the snow so hard.
I know.
I'm down to make it a tradition. You know,
Yes.
we're gonna be experts later on in life. After the bunny hill, Jake's like, oh, let's go to this lift. And they were like, okay.
To go on greens, to
We
go on
went
more
the-
greens.
What's called rainbow, right? We
Yeah.
took the rainbow, and then on the rainbow, what would you? What just that
No, the gag of it all is that we're in line and Kevin comes over and he's like, Jake, I think these are too steep. And I was like, no, we're going on greens. Because he was looking at the one that had the ramps on, I think, or something. And I was like, no, we're gonna go on greens, it'll be fine. It was a lot steeper than typical greens, I think.
Oh my god, it was a mixed terrain.
Oh
it was
my
like
gosh.
down like this.
It was pretty steep.
I don't know. Yeah, we're like going to the trees one point. I'm like level 1. Like I'm from bunny to like full on rabbit. Yeah. Bunny to rabbit.
Bunny to jackrabbit. There we go.
Jackrabbit. To jackrabbit.
Jackrabbit, more like mountain goat.
Mountain goat?
Going on the lift was really stretching for me because I didn't know how to brake on the snowboard. So the fact that we were doing this mixed terrain with me not knowing how to brake was super scary. So we're gonna talk about why we only have one sandwich left.
And only 2 of us ate them out of 4.
We started with like
4 sandwiches, 4 slices of pizza,
4 pieces, 1 beer each.
1 beer each.
Like we were saying, like the mixed terrain.
Sometimes you slip and fall.
Kevin,
He was holding like 2 of our pizzas, and then by the end of it, our pizzas, no, we were going this very steep slope, and then he's pretty good, and then he fell. I see literally camelback water out of the backpack, pizzas flying,
beer can flying. Right?
Yeah, I don't know what the pizza was. We lost her.
We lost it on the slope.
We lost the pizza on the slope.
So this is why we only have 1 sandwich between 4 people.
It's fine.
It's fine. We're almost back.
Yeah.
So now the guys are taking off the chains, so that's why we're here.
Yeah.
Eating the food. Not Kevin in my flip-flops.
Half your feet is probably still touching the snow anyway. Yeah.
Yeah, fun.
Yeah, we weren't sure.
It's always on. Oh my god. Honestly, probably made it harder.
Hello. He didn't know what Kevin's wearing is a bib.
I thought it was called overalls.
Okay, we're confirming. Okay, so we're back now and we want to do our nightly routine of sitting in the hot tub. And basically our hot tub's like stuck at 92 degrees, and according to Kevin, a fellow hot water shower.
Hot shower guru. A guru.
A fellow hot shower.
Burning hot.
Kevin currently boiling up water and putting it in the hot tub. I know you're not supposed to do that, but we'll see.
Basically, you know how when you get to the special temp and you click menu, and it doesn't do anything, right? But I went to the other settings and I clicked, like I went into rotate view and I clicked yes, and it didn't do anything. But it did rotate the view. But when I clicked menu, it didn't do anything. Which means maybe clicking special temp 106, it's actually clicking yes to 106.
All right. While waiting, Lily and I were waiting by the fireplace.
Keeping us warm.
There we go.
Oh, you got the shoes?
They got the boots.
Alright, now go.
Breakfast time. Hey everyone, so today is the last day of our trip. Basically, we're going back home to the bay. Yes, we figured out the hot tub situation. Got up to only to 98 degrees, so I don't know. The boiling water actually helped at all, but I don't think it did. Super sad that our trip has come to an end. Thank you for watching, and can't wait to come back to Oregon. So honestly, these paw prints are so cute over there. I'm gonna miss the snow. There's alpaca farm. So cute.
Practicing TikToks in the back?
Okay, long story short, so it's the same place, the flight of cider that we went with Lily, Kevin, and Jake and I were drinking those flights.
In the freezing cold?
In the freezing cold. And basically they sell it in a can. Kevin and Lily had it in their car and we're about to bring it with us. Drinks like this, we're not allowed to have it on our carry-on. And we have to
check in our bag.
No.
But today we're like super busy, so we don't have time to check a bag. So we had to leave our Avid cider back with Lily and Kevin. But just so happens, after security, we find this little market area, and it had this.
Right in the corner.
Just one left, and it just meant to be, you know. The stars have aligned, and it's literally the same flavor that we left behind with Kevin and Lily. What are the odds of them having it here? I don't know, but I'm so happy. Not our flight, about to board in like 10 minutes, and I just got a triple scoop ice cream. If that ain't me, then I don't know. And not me holding my cider here.